afternoon now. We're back in the spot. Same spot as this morning. Figured, looped out of here, didn't see anything. Saw some hunters parked in some spots where they typically don't park, which makes me feel like some pressure will be shifted today, if at all. So I figure with the wind switching from the west to kind of like southwest, so it'll be more coming from my face going over my back now, or just kind of across this way. Figured it's a decent spot. All I don't like is the sun coming down. I'm still really close to where they'll come from, but you know, it's a quicker spot to get into and quiet enough to slip into. But yeah, we got the 350 ready to go, cameras ready to go. So we'll put on our warm gear here in a minute and maybe take a nap. I don't know. It's pretty. The leaves are pretty loud, so I probably hear it if I heard it come through. If you haven't, please like and subscribe. I would appreciate it. Check out my other content. That would be cool. Thanks for watching. It's almost 3 o'clock. I've already seen a possum and a raccoon, and obviously some squirrels. Got about 2 hours till sunset. We'll see when it starts moving. I was getting ready to pack up. I was done. I probably had about 20 minutes left to shooting time. So I was packing up and I stood up and I looked over to my left and about 125, actually probably 150 yards, 175 yards away, I saw a deer in the field. And I was like, awesome, great. Got my binos, looked up, and it was a buck. And a decent buck, something I definitely want to shoot. So I grabbed my gun and tripod and left the camera gear and slipped up the woods to the field edge. And I shot, and I missed a couple times. And I got a better rest. And then I shot again, and I hit the buck in the neck. Dropped it in immediately with the Winchester 180 grains. And then I didn't videotape anything. I didn't videotape any of that. I had to get going. I had some family obligations I had to take care of. So I had about an hour to do 3 hours of work. So I apologize for not videoing that stuff, but you know, the video stuff comes second. But yeah, I got a nice 7-point buck. Gonna get a Euro mount done. Yeah, that was my fun hunt. That was a great evening. So, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.